Check, check. All right. Good morning. Welcome in. Looks like another penny stock morning. These penny stocks have been active past 2 days. WBuy was pretty good. WBuy was very liquid. I think it had almost 2 billion shares or something, 1.5 billion shares traded on WBuy. Penny stock, very liquid, and yeah, you're able to scalp it pretty easily, in and out with big size. Some people did very well on it. I had a pretty nice green day. Biggest green day in quite a while, but it's gonna get bigger. It's gonna get bigger for sure. Slowly getting back to big size. So maybe NCL can give a little continued momentum in the penny stocks. Good morning, Peter. Baha, good morning. North Sale, good morning. Haddon James, good morning. Elab, LG, CB, and CTMX are your top picks today. I can check those out. Al B, good morning. Mo says NCL. Cristobal, Team Triad. Hell yeah, Team Triad. KK, good morning. So we got a lot of the same guys here in today. I think Mo might be new. Welcome in, Mo. So yeah, NCL. We can take a look here at the sort of the fundamentals behind the stock. Is there news? What's the float? What's the daily chart? All that jazz. All right. Got to get my handy dandy safety glasses, because trading is dangerous to your eyes. It's not as dangerous as working in a warehouse. You know how they wear safety glasses? A lot of jobs have safety glasses. With trading, it's no different. We gotta have safety glasses. You can't damage your eyes from looking at screens all day. I think I didn't take my eyes off this tape yesterday for like 8 hours. I think I was just staring at the tape for 8 hours on WBuy from 9 to 4 p.m. All right, so NCL, what do we have here? Do we have news on NCL? No news on NCL. Looks like it is continued kind of sympathy momentum from WBuy. It has to be. Daily chart. We do have a level here up at 70. I think that would be a good target. 70 cents. Good conservative target. What is the float on NCL? $14 million. $14 million for a penny stock is pretty good. So maybe NCL. Doesn't have any news though. We have a level there at 70 cents. Consolidating near highs, which I guess is a good sign there. Let's go through the rest of the scans here. Okay, so VMAR. Peter saying VMAR. Looks like a choppy one. Doesn't have any news, unless had news yesterday. So it looks like it had news yesterday. Regains compliance with NASDAQ listing requirements. I think it's a bit choppy. It does have 750,000 share float, so very small float, micro float, 750,000. If we can break over to the top of this range and hold, I think we have a good chance here for 518. That small float, it's going to be volatile. I wonder what the spread is going to be. We have not looked at DEVS yet. We'll take a look at DEVS next. So Spread might be a little bit wider because it's smaller float, but I think this could be decent if we can get over this 450 level. So that's VMAR. Yeah, pretty nasty daily chart, but maybe it could be a dead cat bounce here on the daily chart here over this level. Over this level here. Right on 540. Next here, DEVS. You want to take a look at DEVS? Let's take a look. I think it's like the third leading gapper today. Is this a recent IPO? Wow, look at that. 4 in the morning rally from $1 to $9 a share. That's nuts. This is crazy. Holy smoke, 600% move in 15 minutes. That is nuts. Can we see something like this at the open? Can we see something like this at the open? You can't even trade on Thinkorswim at 4 a.m. So we would have walked in here to a nice fat sell-off on for the TD or for the Charles Schwab traders. So maybe we see a dead cat bounce. Maybe DEVS can give a dead cat bounce up to VWAP. So it'd be extended. It'd be an extended sell-off. You know, shorts got to take profits at some point. Longs are gonna look to buy off the dips or the dip, as it's now trending back up slightly on the micro time, on a smaller time frame. And if you look at if you zoom out, obviously it's on a huge backside. It's definitely bearish. You know, in respect to this, but if you zoom in, you know, you might be able to see, you might be able to get a bullish trend short term up until we hit the first resistance, probably around VWAP. And still, if we can get to VWAP, that's still a $1 a share move. So maybe DEVS can give us something. But I prefer to trade something that hasn't already sold off like this. It's 11 million share float. So, you know, it's kind of hitting all of our points here. It's got to have news, right, for this move? You would think that this would have news to make a move like this. But there's no news. Do not see any news. It's got to be something. I don't see anything. Do you guys see anything here for Livestream, DEVS? Yeah, it looks like Webull you can trade at 4 a.m. Man, this thing, I hope Ross was up at 4 a.m. trading. He definitely would have been, he would have been up at least 30, 40K on this. Maybe more. Maybe more. Yeah, I don't see any news here. Changes to board. Changing to board, I don't know if it would cause that big of a move, but yeah, I guess it could. Like, that's a massive move, 600%. But anyways, that's DEVS. Maybe see that bottom bounce. Okay, it looks like GM has a news article. Livestream adds 2.5 million credits to existing carbon portfolio. Announces changes to board of directors. Okay. So GM saying it does have news. You know, obviously we're not going to get back up even close to these levels, but you know, I think we have a good chance at least of seeing a bounce, a dead cat bounce. So that is DVS. Did we look at TIVC? TIVC, another penny stock. Unfortunately, penny stocks are going to be active again. So hopefully you guys are able to pivot to the more action that's happening here on the penny stocks. NCL. Oh, kind of missed that breakout there. Hopefully it holds and continues. Can we get up to 60? Can we get up to 60? Break a 60? Ooh. I'm going to hold through this. Selling on the ask, selling on the ask. I should have added more on the dip there. Dang it. Dang it, dang it, dang it, dang it. I should have added on that dip under 60. I think NCL maybe could give us something. We're getting some increasing volume here. Relative. If you look at the green candles, we're getting some increasing volume on the green candles. If you look at the green candles alone, it was trending down. Now you see a change in the volume. So that's a nice $15 trade there. Nice little warm-up trade. Nice little warm-up trade. Can we pull back and hold now? Are we going to hold? We got to hold this area here. We got to hold 57. Plus 145 on NCL. Nice. There you go. There you go, Morgan. Good job. Let's keep that green streak. Let's get on a nice green streak. And then after, a few weeks of nice solid green streak, start to size up. We would think we would need a pullback here on NCL. My goodness. I should have just jumped on, huh? It's always like tough to know if you're chasing the stock or if you're just actually just jumping on the momentum. Back over 66 maybe. So extended now though. We're gonna need a pullback. Holding 500 shares from 52. Nice. There you go. It's nice. You're up about 50, 55 bucks. That's good. Saw a nice bid there. Maybe we can get back over. Nope. Bid is selling. I'm going to get out. Let's take this dip. Okay, I'm going to increase now to 1.5k shares here. Under 20. Let's get in. Under 20. Here we go. Oh, man, that was good. That was good. I didn't get filled, though. 15. Can you fill me at 16? Come on. Oh. 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 I'm in the red here. Let's see if I can get out on here on the ask for break even. Luckily, I got out break even there on the ask. I was just a little bit too soon on that dip. It's coming down. I was in at 61. Well, I was saying 15. 61.5. Dropped down under 61. Can we get under 60 here? Can we get under 60? Now you have 3K, they're under 61. Is it going to bounce here without me? Can't touch this, you'll get blazed on commissions. Yeah, the commissions can add up. So if you're not making money, you're not in tune with the stock and you're not making money, it's really not worth trading because you're just going to be losing on the commissions. I think yesterday, like, I think 20% of my profit was eaten up by commissions trading the penny stocks. This is a tough dip here. It took a while to bounce. It still looks like it's struggling too. We might dip down one more time. Oh, okay, there's a decent bid there. 14K. 14K is not that much, but man, it's in a tough spot here. All right, so it looks like we're dipping down again. Let's see if we can get in. I'm trying to buy bids too, just to avoid getting filled on the ask. Here we go. Under 61, please. Under 61. 30K. I'll take 61. Nope. Selling. 61's gonna break. There we go. What's happening here? Are we dipping or are we bouncing? Looks like we're coming down more. We bounce here. I'm in at 61.2. Push. Selling at 62. Come on, break at 62. Up. Break at 62. Nope, not happening. See, like stuff like that. It's like, man, I'm just gonna wait till the open. Markets close on Monday? No way. I'll have to check that. I think that must be the following Monday because of Thanksgiving. Yeah, this is a tough spot because it didn't dip down all the way. Like, it gave it a dip, but like, first of all, it didn't dip down all the way and kind of panic and then reverse. It held the low, which is fine too, but if we're holding that low, like, we got to break this pivot relatively soon after, or else we're going to be, you know, like, I'm not going to be willing to hold through this chop here. So I think I'm done for right now on NCL until the open. I'm up like, I'm small green on this, like tiny green, like not even worth saying I'm in the green on this thing, like $11. But I think we're gonna get more opportunity on NCL at the open. As long as we hold this 57-cent level, I think it's good. Okay, so let's catch you up here on the chat here. Morgan sold too soon. Yeah, I think you got out a little bit too soon. Maybe what you could have done, since you are a little bit of a longer hold time trader, I think, from what I see, maybe you could have just adjusted your mental stop. After we saw that breakout and we were holding that breakout, maybe taking half off and then adjusting your mental stop to the previous breakout level. So like maybe adjusting your mental stop to 57 and then giving it time to kind of extend and then scaling it out as it extends. That's hindsight though. I know you're a little bit of a longer hold time trader, so maybe that could be better for you. Kind of my 2 cents. For me, I'm such a fast trader that, you know, I'm willing to take all of my profits here on the initial breakout and then get back in on the pullback, maybe even bigger size. On like this micro little pullback here that you can barely even see. Holding 500 shares, 52. Nice up Mo's up $200. Nice. Good way to start your day. Markets closed on Monday. I don't think so. Let's see. Market holidays 2024. No, I see. Next day we have off is Thursday, November 28th. Thursday, November 28th for Thanksgiving. And I think there's a half day on Friday. No. Wait. Each market will close early at 1 p.m. Okay, yeah. So Friday there's a half day. Friday market closes at 1 p.m. Thursday market is closed. The 28th, the 29th is half day. Okay, so yeah, it looks like Morgan's saying it is only a bank holiday, so the funds won't change. The funds won't settle. So if you're a cash account trader, you won't have your funds the next day on Monday. So that's good to keep in mind. If you're a cash account trader, maybe save some money for Monday. Because of Remembrance Day. I'm not sure what I'm remembering, but I can take a look here. Remembrance Day. Let's see what we're remembering for Monday. Common British, Canadian, South African tradition includes 2-minute silence at the 11th hour. I think it's for honoring the dead. Honoring the dead, I guess, in wars. We got about 2 minutes to the open. So make sure you drop that like, subscribe if you're new. We're gonna let this market see what it's gonna give us, and then if it's gonna give some more penny action, and I find printing on it, making money on it, then I'm gonna size up. But if I'm not making any money, going sideways or digging myself a little bit of a hole, I'm gonna keep the size small to survive, to not give back profits for the week. It is Friday, so I want to end the week strong. So good luck. Follow your rules, follow your risk management, and I'll catch you guys later. Have a good weekend. LGCB breaking out. We can take a look here quick. LGCB. LGBC, low volume. Low volume. So NCL is my main watch.